So the ornaments you'll need for Quiddow are actually quite easy. You just need the high F cut. So you start off with your F, and then you lift your G finger and snap it down just as you breathe. I'll play 3, you play 3. And off you go. Perfect. So you're also going to need an F roll. So you start off with your F note, you do a pip on your G, and you do a tap on your E. And you're going to need it quite fast, so try and get it to that level, okay? So you're also going to need a high G cut. So you're just going to start in an A and snap down your G finger as you begin to breathe. It sounds like this. Okay, now I'll do 3, you do 3. Wow. So here's the first phrase of Quidby. Okay, so you're going to go F, B, B, F, A, A. Okay, and it goes tongue, slur, tongue, slur. Okay, sounds like this. Ooh, sorry for the squeak. I'll try it one more time. Try that with me. Ready, go. Okay, so now we're going to try the next bit of the phrase, section 2. So it goes. Okay, so it goes F, E, F, T, E. And you're going to go slurring into it from the previous section. Slur, tongue, slur, tongue. Okay, so. Okay, now we're going to try putting them together. Okay. Okay, and again, ready, go. Wahoo. Now phrase 2. Okay, so the first section is identical to the first section before, you just have a little G starting it off. So it goes G, G, F, B, B, F, A, A. And the articulation is slur, tongue, tongue. So listen. Try it with me. Ready, go. Okay, next section is. Okay, so it's cut onto your high F, E, D, high E, take a breath. Try that with me. Ready, go. Okay, so now let's try section 1 and section 2 together. Wahoo, and again, ready, go. Now we're going to try Frossahain, it's frosted though. Okay, so what you're going to do is so exact same as section 1, you just start off with a little D. So it's D, F, B, B, F, A, A. And the articulation is slur, tongue, slur, into the next section. So it sounds like this. Try that one now, ready, go. Okay, Now what we're going to try is the F roll. So, and you're going to go D, E, F after that. So it actually goes F, pip, tap, high D, and then E, F, and the articulation pattern is F, pip, tap, all in a slur with the D, and then tongue, tongue on the E, F. So it sounds like this. Okay, try that with me. Ready, go. Excuse me, I did the articulation slightly differently there. Let's try it again. Okay, and if you want to be really posh, flow into that F roll from the A in a slur. Okay, so let's try that entire phrase. Ready, go. Let's go for the really posh version where we flow into it from the IA. Ready, go. Indak. Wow. Okay, so phrase 4 is so very easy. You start off with the high G cut, F, E, high F, so it sounds like, and it's all slurred. Slur. So listen to this. Breath. So I'll do that one more time. Try that. Ready, go. Okay, fair play. Next you're gonna go. And you go slur, tongue, 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 E, D, B, A, B. Try that. And again. Wahoo. So now let's try the entire frost car. It sounds like this. Fair play. And again, ready, go. Okay, now let's try frost a hindo tree car. So the second time we play the B part, there is a change in phrase 2 and phrase 3. So I'm going to bring you through them now. So phrase 2 goes okay, so instead of putting in a roll, we put in the run. Okay, so we just go. So you go high G, F, E, high D, and then high E. And we have slur, sounds like this. Breath. Okay, so how about we try doing that again? Ready, go. So now let's try the entire phrase 2. It sounds like this. Wahoo, and again, ready, go. So now, in phrase 3, the difference is that we do a lovely little instead of taking breath. Okay, so it sounds like this. Sound like this. Okay, so the notes are F, E, F, T, E, F, and it's just tongue, 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 tongue. So it sounds like this. Now, as you can hear, I'm swinging it slightly, so just because it's tongued does not mean that you can sound like an automaton, okay? So, try it again. Now, listen to this in context, the entire phrase 3. Right, give that a go with me. Ready, go. Ahoo. So this is the entire of the B part, second time through. And as you notice there, I just put in tiny little 2 notes at the end to lead me into the first part again, okay? So now we're going to try Quidge B, first time through and second time through.